Sometimes we plan our trips to some faraway locations, not quite exploring the beauty that surrounds our own place. After spending one whole month at home due to the COVID restrictions, I wanted to go out somewhere very scenic. When I asked around, I came to know about one such spot just an hour drive from my home. It is a beautiful Shiva temple located at a place known as Peruvanmala. So I quickly packed my camera bag and left to this place. On the way, we stopped at a restaurant for a cup of our evening tea near the temple. We reached the temple well before the sunset, and that by itself was a big relief, as that meant I'll get the best lighting possible for filming this place. There is a reference of a rare breed of tree found here on the internet known as Almavu, which is an amalgamation of a banyan and a mango tree. The exact location of this place is a small village near Kechery known as Thalakkottukara, which will be close to 16 kilometers if you're driving from Thrissur. The climb uphill might become a bit challenging if you visit this place during the rainy season due to the slippery surface. But trust me, when you reach the top, you will definitely realize that it was all worth it. The whole area uphill is spread across 50 acres, which also includes a small well maintained by the temple. The jurisdiction of this temple comes under Cochin Devasam. During the August-September month, a bicolored flowering herb known as Persian violet is grown here. This endangered medicinal herb is used to treat a varieties of ailments in Ayurveda. I was very amazed by the panoramic view this place offers, and it's truly a hidden gem in Thrissur. If you are someone who loves watching spectacular sunset, you should definitely visit this place. As it was getting dark, we decided to head back home. It was truly a memorable evening with some amazing views. On the way back home, we stopped at our favorite cafe to have some snacks. So with this, we come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Till I see you in the next one, take care and goodbye.